Hi, remember me? I'm Sierra, and my 1-year warranty has run out, which means my parents have to keep me. No returning me now. Yep, they rescued me 1 year ago today, so Happy New Year to me, and Happy New Year to you. I don't have opposable thumbs, so I'll talk and I'll let my mom type. And this is what I looked like when they saw me on the internet. Whatever that is, they spend a lot of time there. I was cute, and I looked little. Haha, fooled them. I am cute, but not little. I'm huge. My foster family had donkeys. When I'm bad, my mom always says, "Do you want to go back and live with the donkeys?" I think she said it 5 or 6 times. So, wow, what a year. Well, that's what they keep saying, whatever that means. I do know that it meant my dad was home with me most of the year. And I've had so much fun this year. Lots of walks and some awesome pool time. I am such a graceful swimmer. I've met lots and lots of friends. This is Ollie. And I learned how to play tennis. And play tennis with a partner. And I love the dog park. And sticks and food. My mom says don't eat that a lot on our walks. I eat to clean up the sidewalks. She also says, "What are you eating?" Like I can answer her. I just keep my mouth shut and don't show her. And I love my friend Rowan's backyard. Remember when we first met her? She was little. Now she's as big as me. And with all of our running, we made a racetrack in the backyard. So now, my mom and her friend put some carpet down. Rowan's my bestie, and the only way you can tell us apart, she has 2 white front paws. I like toys. Squeaky ones are good. I like this, I like that, whatever. This has been the best year ever. And my 1-year warranty has run out, so now they have to keep me, no matter what. So Happy New Year to you. And me. So don't forget to give me a paws up and subscribe for more me. And while you're here, may as well leave us a comment too.